If you're looking to restore proper door locking function in your vehicle, this power door latch actuator is the perfect solution. Manufactured to OE specifications, it provides a factory-fresh appearance and direct fit, ensuring that the actuator works seamlessly with your vehicle's door system. The high-quality connector guarantees a solid, positive connection, while the reinforced plastic construction ensures maximum durability and long-lasting performance. Designed with an electro-mechanical exterior latch release mechanism, this actuator provides efficient and smooth operation for your vehicle's door. This actuator is compatible with a wide range of vehicles, including the 2010 to 2015 Toyota 4Runner, 2007 to 2016 Toyota Camry, 2009 to 2013 Toyota Corolla, 2008 to 2013 Toyota Highlander, 2006 to 2015 Toyota RAV4, and many more. It also fits certain Lexus and Scion models such as the 2010 to 2015 Lexus IS250, 2011 to 2016 Lexus CT200H, and 2012 to 2015 Scion IQ. With easy installation, this part helps you save time and money, providing a cost-effective way to restore your vehicle's locking function without the need for expensive professional repairs. The actuator features a high-quality electric motor and has undergone rigorous testing to ensure reliable performance under all operating conditions. It meets OE standards, providing excellent performance for years to come. With a 12-month warranty, you can purchase with confidence knowing that you are covered for any issues that may arise. If you're not fully satisfied, we offer a free replacement or refund to ensure your complete satisfaction. Customers have praised this actuator for its easy installation and reliable performance. One reviewer shared that they were able to replace the part on their 2014 Toyota Prado themselves, saving hundreds of dollars in labor costs. If you're looking for a simple yet effective solution to fix your vehicle's door locking system, this power door latch actuator is the right choice. Check the link in the video description to purchase today and get your vehicle back in top shape. Don't forget to subscribe for more automotive tips and product recommendations.